Zoom's great, but meeting in person and having that opportunity.
I know they're going to help me with my business.
Live this life of freedom that I think a lot of us want.
I think some of the connections I've made are going to last for a long, long time.
What could I say besides just saying Frankie's awesome?
Just wrapped up an epic weekend here with Frankie at his place in La Paz. It was a super experience. We covered a lot of business. We had a lot of fun.
Still very new to the digital marketing agency space. But overall, I'm very glad I came. I learned a lot.
Really had a great, awesome 3 days here with Frankie Finn and company at our Mastermind session here in La Paz, Mexico.
We work hard to have fun and to do for our family, and this is just a small part of that. But the cool thing is, along the way, you get to learn and you get to mastermind with some people that know things and have experienced things you haven't.
My favorite day was the whiteboard day. Everybody got 45 minutes to go up and just talk, right? And not everybody knew exactly what problem they were trying to solve, but they eventually came to something that was holding them back, or the question they were actually trying to solve by coming here. And so everybody is going around and kind of giving their ideas on how to improve things.
You really learn from everyone. Everyone that got some feedback, there's really always something to get, and I definitely got some great takeaways, and was also, I think, able to give some good advice and value away as well. But just a really good, intimate time. I like these, there's a place and time for the bigger events when there's 100, 200 people in the room, and I also love these smaller, more intimate events.
I mean, we just went out with the whale sharks. Where else in the world am I going to be able to talk business? By the way, Frankie and I just planned an event on the boat, and we would have never done that had we dealt with Zoom phone calls and everything else. But hanging out together on the boat, swimming with these whale sharks, which was amazing because they're like, 30, 40 feet long. They were absolutely amazing. You don't do that via Zoom.
Looking at whale sharks today. Yesterday we went to an amazing world-class beach, and on top of that, throughout it all, we've all been talking about our agencies. We've all been talking about the problems and challenges that we've been facing.
Besides just learning how to solve my own problems, the people here were fantastic. Like, I learned more from talking to people at the event than hearing solutions to my own problems, because it gave me new opportunities, new ways to go and tackle this.
Baby mama.
Hi, little girls.
These events, whether you do it in La Paz, whether you do it anywhere else, getting together face to face with a small group of entrepreneurs who get it, is unbeatable.
Apart from having a great time, learned a lot to help me grow in my agency, and I can't wait to see where I'm back when I come back next year.
Experience of being in a live in-person event, way different than let's having a Zoom call or a school group call, whatever. You actually get to meet the person in real life, and that's the value of it. You wouldn't even comprehend until you go.
Really great, amazing experience. Like the scenery, the boats, the ocean, swimming with the sharks. It was really great, and I'm really glad I came.
Coming down to La Paz to be with Frankie and his family and the other people that we can network, it's been a great business experience for us and personal experience too.
Definitely would recommend that anybody who's not come to one of these mastermind sessions with Frankie would absolutely recommend you take 2, 3, 4 days out of your busy schedule, and you'll understand what I'm saying. Come see it, come experience it.